Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna be making Brazilian cinnamon doughnut rolls, which we call in Brazil Bolinho de Chuva. Let's go for the ingredients. The ingredients are 3 cups of flour, salt to taste, 1 1/4 cup of milk, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, oil for frying, and sugar and ground cinnamon for dipping. First thing we're gonna do, you're gonna get a fried pan and you're gonna put the oil just enough to cover the bottom, and then you're gonna let it heat. And you want the oil to be very hot before you dip the dough. Now in a large bowl, you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. The flour, the sugar, and the baking powder. You're gonna mix the ingredients and you're gonna put some salt to taste, just a little bit. Just gonna make sure you mix all the dry ingredients first. After you mixed, you're gonna add the eggs. Mix the eggs. After you mix the egg, you're gonna add the milk. And you're gonna mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. Now the dough is ready, and also the pan, the oil I can see that's really hot. You're gonna set aside some sugar and ground cinnamon and a plate with a waxing paper to put the dough. So with a spoon, you're just gonna grab a spoon like this, and then you're gonna put it in the pan. It almost looks like a beignet. You can also make chocolate and put on top. I'm just making normal ones and just mix with sugar and cinnamon. But feel free to make some chocolate and some dulce de leche, anything that you want inside on top of it. I took a bite. Look how delicious. It's very soft inside. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. We also have a Facebook page, YouTube, Marley's Kitchen. Share, like, and I see you all next time.